Instructional design in schools. So what is instructional design? It is the creation of learning experiences and materials that result in effective instruction for learners. To create effective instruction, the ADDIE instructional design model is one of the design models used. ADDIE stands for Analyze, Design, Develop, Implement, and Evaluate. In the analysis stage, you analyze the learners and set the learning objective. The following are common questions in the analysis stage. Who is the audience? What is their characteristics? What is their schema? Are there any learning constraints? How can you best deliver the information? What is the timeline for this to be completed? And most importantly, what do I want my students to learn? In the design stage, you begin looking at the materials needed for the lesson and how the lesson needs to be taught. The following are questions asked in the design stage. What are the types of media being used? Is it going to be collaborative or more individual? How much time are you going to take per task? What type of assessment are you going to use? And what type of feedback are you going to give your students? In the development stage, you begin gathering, testing, and finalizing materials. You can make any changes to the materials and plan in this stage. In the implementation stage, the students are present and the lesson is taught. This is what all of the planning was for in the previous stages. Finally, in the evaluation stage, there are two types of evaluations. The first is formative, which happens throughout the other stages to identify any changes that need to be made and what is working nicely. The second is summative, which happens in and after the implementation stage. This uses student feedback and assessments. Did the students meet their objectives? Was the lesson successful? What could be improved for next time? Using the ADDIE model is a great tool to use to create effective instruction for learners.